Welcome to Eagle Complete course. After we made the circuit layout design in Board Editor, now we have to inspect if there are any errors in our board. First, we can click the DRC or Design Rule Check command here. It has some submenus here: File, Layers, Clearance, Distance, Sizes, Annular Ring, Shapes, Supply, Masks, and MISC. Usually, all the parameters values are filled based on the manufacturer's rules. Now, for example, I will open the GLC PCB web to see their design rule. Here I'm typing glcpcb.com. Then we're going to the capabilities option here. After that, we're going to match our DRC with the manufacturer's capabilities. The written value is the minimum one, so you actually can set the parameter here higher than the value written on their website. As we can see here, they provide all parameters we need to put in the DRC. After done, we can simply click Apply and select here. Then, to inspect our board, press the yellow icon here. In my design, I only have this error. We can double-click it so we know where the error in our board is. If you have some errors on your board, you can fix it one by one. Then, if we have zero error here, it means our board is ready to be printed on.